So a couple of weeks ago we came down to Melbourne to check out some of our studios after the lockdown. We can't forget in some of our more regional areas, there's some incredible studios also. We came out to the Wolves Den in Pakenham. They're available on InkPay. Let's go check them out.
Hey guys, welcome to the Wolves Den. We have 13 artists, I believe. We've got some apprentices as well. We're really well versed in our styles and we love taking on new challenges. We do laser and piercing as well here, so we're not limited to tattoos. You can find us on Main Street. We're probably the biggest store here, so you can't miss us.
So as you can see, one of the apprentices in here, he's tattooing on a melon for practice. He's getting it in. Pretty dope. Let's have a look what he's doing.
You can find us on InkPay. Ink now, pay later.